More and more people are using mobile apps and at-home tests to monitor their own health. Michael George takes a look at the pros and cons of the do-it-yourself health movement.
Tom Dean has been diabetic for 16 years. He also hosts a Twitter community where diabetic patients share their experiences. For them, constantly keeping track of their blood sugar and insulin can be a matter of life and death.
It's when you have to start writing everything down for yourself, with everyone's busy schedules, it becomes unmanageable at a point.
But now Tom has help. He's using multiple apps to do things like monitor his diet, order new prescriptions, and manage his blood sugar.
I've just gone on now onto Libra. It will tell me my level instantly, rather than finger pricking the old-fashioned way.
There are now thousands of health apps and at-home tests people are using to monitor their health, for everything from asthma to weight loss to sleep apnea. A Carnegie Mellon University study finds diabetes patients who use apps have better health outcomes, fewer hospital visits, and lower medical costs. Dr. Natasha Bouillon is Regional Medical Director for One Medical. She says with medical personnel strained treating COVID patients, these apps allow doctors and nurses to monitor their patients' health without an office visit.
I really love when patients are engaged in their health and they're empowered by seeing their own health information.
But there is a downside. Patients can be overwhelmed with all this information.
The information should really be just interpreted in the context of a trusted primary care provider. For a lot of patients getting inundated with this information, they sometimes don't know what to do.
Tom's app automatically shares his blood sugar levels with his nurse.
I think it's amazing because it's doing everything kind of for you,
making managing his chronic illness just a little bit easier. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
Some health apps have been criticized for collecting users' data. Experts say you should choose your app in consultation with your doctor. Nearly half of the 500 million free COVID tests that the Biden administration recently made available to Americans are still unclaimed. According to the White House, Americans have placed 68 million orders for packages of tests, which leaves about 46% of the stock still up for grabs. On the first day of the White House test giveaway, over 45 million tests were ordered. Now officials say fewer than 100,000 orders a day are coming in. The packages contain 4 free rapid tests per household. Next at noon, this isn't your ordinary ravioli covered in red sauce. Just wait until you see how we fancied it for the next weeknight favorite.